If you think that you constantly need to lower the price to be the number one choice of customers, you're wrong. I'm Snickers, the number one chocolate factory in the world, and I make over 15 million Snickers every day. But to actually get here, I had to overcome a huge obstacle. What obstacle, you might ask? Well, isn't it obvious? Competing against tens and sometimes hundreds of other chocolate brands. I had to do something. I had to make anyone who felt even a little bit hungry think of me unconsciously. But how did I do it? In the past couple of years, I've done something really creative. I started a campaign with this slogan at its heart: "You're not yourself anymore when you're hungry." So what else did I do? I started another campaign called Hunger Them, which quickly went viral, by the way, and I did something really amazing in collaboration with Google and MIT. What do you think was this amazing thing that we did? Before I tell you what I did, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to become a part of our family. Alright, so here's what we did. We created a whole new algorithm so that whenever the weather was bad, or there was an important sports event, or some political controversy, the price of Snickers would go down and people would be encouraged to buy more Snickers. You might say, so what was the outcome? Well, as a result, my name got hooked to the feeling of hunger, and I was always in the back of people's minds. Again, you might ask, but what good will that do? Well, whenever a student or an employee or anyone else for that matter felt hungry, they would feel an unconscious desire to have a Snickers bar. Don't miss our future stories and don't forget to subscribe. Maybe one day we will hear your brand's success story. Till then, don't forget to like the video.